Hi and welcome back. Sorry it's been a while. Work's just been absolutely hectic. So obviously work is before the videos. But anyway, let's get to it. The Barton Chemicals quick detailer, is it good or is it shit? Is it worth the price or is it not? So for me, it was good. It's got a good smell. It was easy to use, 2 microfibres, or if it's just your own car, you probably will get away with just using one by just flipping the microfibre just to buff off the excess to give you that nice, easy, clean, fresh finish and protecting your sills. Is what I'll do, I'll also leave links down below for where you can get it, and towards all their social media and plus myself. We do have other videos coming, but they've got chop and change between our new project vehicle that's got to get some modifications done and just bits and pieces to get up to for where I want it. As you can see, I am driving. This is pretty much how busy it is. I'm on the move, trying to do the videos and intros at the same time. Anyway, have a good one. Please remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below if you've used it before. And we'll see you again. Bye.